If you are looking for striking and unique lacing method, then Loopback Lacing Method is definitely for you. Ideal for shoes with 3 or 4 eyelets. This technique not only creates a visually appealing look, but also offers a secure and comfortable fit. With the shoe facing towards you, insert the lace from left to right from the bottom eyelet so the lace should resemble a straight line. Then insert the lace through the next eyelet on the same side up across and create a circle loop. And repeat this process until you reach the top eyelet. Then insert the left lace through the loop you have created, so the pattern should resemble a loop back shape. And do this same with the next loop up across. Then repeat this pattern until you reach the top eyelet.